Mark Powell here, and to my right, Joe Finksler. Welcome to the third video in our PM conversion series. In this video, we will walk you through another PM conversion success story.
This original part was an assembly consisting of a stamping, fastener, and a machine component.
In working with our customer, minor adjustments were made to the component design, optimizing the PM process and providing all necessary features for the application, resulting in a significant cost reduction.
Let's walk through the conversion process. The material previously consisted of a variety of steels that had been designed for each of the individual component processes. In our discussions with the customers, we evaluated the requirements of the component and came up with an alternate PM material, carbon steel. As we mentioned earlier, the original hand tool assembly consisted of 3 individual parts. As a result of combining the assembly into a single component, the finished PM design became a multi-level part. The advantages of the PM process over the original processes are: edge detail on the sprocket form provides a smooth running surface. In the original stamp version, the sprocket form exhibited stamping shear, resulting in a rough texture on the working surface of the edges. By adding the upper hub, it allowed the tool to align and operate smoothly, and the lower body eliminated the machining process and provided a drive socket form.
As a result of this conversion, we were able to help our customers save time and money by eliminating the number of SKUs the customer had to purchase, reducing assembly time, and improving general appearance and performance of the finished assembly, all while reducing costs by $1 per component. If you have a part that is a good conversion candidate, contact Atlas Press Metals at 814-299-7203 for a part review.
Or, to learn more about Atlas Press Metals, check out our other content here.